Alright, hey YouTube, welcome back to another Wyman video. So today we're going to talk about that project that I wasn't ready to talk about the last time I made a video. We're ready to talk about it today. This here is going to be a gift for my brother, whose birthday is tomorrow. So I'm giving it to him tonight, having a party. So I was just out here in the garage and finished her up. You can see the bench is a mess. Got crap everywhere. But this thing here is, other than the back, of course, is 3D printed. And this came off the TiVo Tornado. And it's printed in 6 pieces. The white is 1 piece. The blues are all a different piece, and then I also made the little brackets to mount it, which I broke one of them as I was trying to mount it and don't have time to print another one, so it got shoe-gooed. But yeah, we got her together. It looks pretty good. Turned out all right, I think. He's a big fan of Texas Hold'em, so we printed him up this, and we're gonna hang it on the wall. And anytime we have a poker tournament or just a Friday night or Saturday night game over at his place, the winner gets to sign the back of it. So that's kind of how we've ran it for the since about 2007. You know, anytime we do a friends poker game, when we're done, there's usually a plaque on the wall somewhere that gets to be signed, and his place doesn't have one yet, so this is going to be his. And I set it up so that, you know, if you know anything about Texas Hold'em, blinds up every 15 minutes. Usually when you're in a tournament style, that chip up after 3 blinds are up. And so there you go. It's a timer, clock, kind of dual purpose thing. I thought it was kind of a neat idea. And I really wanted to 3D print something for my brother. I thought that'd be kind of cool, and you know, to make somebody something as a gift rather than just buying them worthless junk that they don't really need, that they'll probably end up throwing away. I think if you could put some thought into a gift and a little bit of your own effort, it means a whole lot more. So this is what I've done. I got a few other projects going on. We're still working on some RC stuff. I got the Facebook page up this week for go on Facebook, check us out. It's Team Wyman Scale Design on Facebook, and you can see some of the stuff that I'm making there. I don't have much up yet, but I'm still working on it. I've got cages for the Jeep that I've showed you before, for the little JK Jeep. I've got a few different variations of this cage. I actually just I got one out to a guy. Actually, in the packaging process, the lady obviously wasn't very careful with it, and she snapped it off. So I redesigned it. It's got the new version has pillar supports here, and hopefully that'll hold up better. Still working on the rock sliders for the trail honcho. I'm on version 7, I believe, now. So we're getting those tightened up, buttoned up, get those to where I'm ready to post the file up on Shapeways. Trying to get a website going probably this week, hopefully. Working on that. Got a lot going on, so I'm going to try to keep getting videos to you guys as often as possible. If there's anything that you guys would like to see me do, I will definitely post that up. Hit me up, comments, whatever. I actually, about a half an hour ago, did my very first print on a piece of mirror for the Tevo Tornado, and these here are pieces that I've cut for the Ender. So we're gonna print on mirror. Reason being is you get a little nicer surface. You have less to deal with the bed possibly being warped. I found with the Tevo, it's such a large print area that it's really hard to get the bed perfectly level. There's spots where you can definitely tell that the bed isn't quite right. So to eliminate that, we're just going to glass and going to print straight to glass. I did my first print on mirror, and it stuck down pretty good without using anything. I didn't use glue stick. I didn't use hairspray. It stuck down pretty good. It did peel up on the last little bit of layer. I just did a bed leveling test just to try it out. And when I peeled it off the bed, I was absolutely amazed. I actually threw the piece away, which, dang, I should have kept that for the video. But I threw the piece away, and it was absolutely perfectly glass smooth on the underside, to the point where the black PLA was shiny. Like, it looked like it had been polished. It was beautiful. I should have kept it, but I threw it away. I got a couple other little things that I'm going to be doing with the printers, as far as modifications and whatnot. The Ender, I'm still working on doing a box for the power supply. I still got my switches and stuff. I'm just having a little bit of trouble with how I want to model it. I've come up with like 3 different ways to model it, and then start thinking about printing it, and it's just like, to print that, it's going to use a lot of plastic, take a lot of time. There's got to be a different way. So I haven't quite hit the mark on that one yet, but still working on it. And you know, I'm going to try to get some more stuff up for you guys. There's another one that I wanted to hit on, was another update from Idea Maker. So there is a newer version of Idea Maker. Mesh Mixer was updated, and I haven't hit on any of that. So I have updated them. There's some really cool new features in the new Idea Maker. They kind of rearranged some stuff and then added different infill. There's grid, triangle. There's a whole bunch of different new infills, infill patterns, which is great. That's something that Simplify 3D has had for a while, and now Idea Maker has it. So I'm pretty stoked about that. Something new I get to try out. So I will. I'm going to do some tests and see what the different infill. See if it makes it stronger. See if it makes it easier, faster. You know, what's what in that. So for now, that's all I got. I will definitely post some stuff up when I have some more to talk about. And remember, Team Wyman Scale Designs on Facebook. We got the Facebook page up. You can buy stuff through there if you would like. If not, just come check us out. Give us a like. And look for Team Wyman Scale Designs website. Should be coming up next week. So until then, subscribe. Go ahead and subscribe. Hit the little bell so that you get notifications when I post these goofy little videos. And you can sit and watch them and laugh at me or whatever. It's all good. Until then, keep making cool stuff. All right. Catch you later, guys.